like my nigga aggressive. Beat me up.
I bet you like.
Ray, you not fit, right?
No. 120, I'm small.
You sound a little fun size. I could do a lot with that.
Come here.
I run in the niggas, yeah, slay. Bitches be getting that ahead of they self. I don't care if you pretty, suck my I would lotto rolling up gelato. Niggas pussy and I'm niggas follow. They know it's 40 more ways to get paid. I got a baddie, she look like mulatto. With the legs drinking honey, no chaser.
Welcome back with another blind date. It's TS.
Ow, you hear me?
Alright, I'm a hostess, John. Who am I here with? What's your name?
Marisky.
Nicole.
Alright, how old are y'all? Y'all wanna go first?
How old is you?
19.
18.
Alright. So like going by like voice and smell and all of that, how are people sounding? Because you know, when you hear a voice, you can kind of put a face to it. What are y'all thinking about each other?
I don't know, I just hope she not shitty though. Cause she's shitty, you not my man.
How you feeling?
I don't know. Are you tall?
No, I'm sure.
Damn.
She don't like short niggas.
Like I like a tall. Like
How
a tall,
short?
like,
How short?
How short is you like?
I'm 5'4".
What?
He needs some milk.
I'm 5'3".
Alright, that's pretty good.
No, it's not. You're short as shit.
Oh!
Say no. Say no, I'm 6 foot.
6 foot.
That's tall enough for you?
You play basketball?
I used to.
You get money. I know you do.
You can't even see me.
If this your charger, baby, you get money. Well, not too much. Not too much. Some people got chargers but really don't get money though.
Alright, I got another question for you.
Yeah. You gotta stop fucking with them niggas. You gotta join my team.
How do y'all feel about where people are in life, like relationship wise?
What do you mean by that?
Meaning like, do they gotta have money? Do they gotta be in school?
No,
Shit
it's
like
just
that?
it's all about loyalty.
Loyalty.
No.
No,
I don't
One at a
no-
time. One at
No.
a time. One at a time.
No, for me personally, like yeah, like have a job, this and third, but like honestly, it's all about loyalty. On
So he has to
everything.
be productive.
Yeah,
Okay.
like, you can't be no bum.
Yeah. It's like, it's morals to this shit. Like, you gotta be locked in. Like, if I'm locked in, like, I go to school, you feel me?
Yeah.
I go to school. I got my little job.
College and all of that.
Uh-huh. You mean? Yeah, well, you mean? You can't be no dumbass. You gotta have a brain in your head, feel me?
Exactly. All right. No. What do you guys plan on like goals?
Goals?
Yeah. Whether it's relationship or just life, like learn about each other real quick.
I want to become a makeup artist and a hairstylist. I want to be licensed.
What about you, girl?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm trying to be a nurse. I'm trying to be a RN. I'm trying to work in the ambulance and shit like that.
Nurse.
That's
Get
how-
money shit.
I'm trying to go to school. That's why I'm in school right now, shit like that. You go to school or no?
No, it's alright.
But you graduated though and shit? You didn't graduate?
No, I graduate in January.
What?
I'm a late graduate. The fuck?
School ended. How you graduating in January?
When school starts back up.
Hey, calm that how you shit down. You're not on that.
There we go. How y'all like your partners? When I say that, I mean like you like your ladies submissive and shit like that. Or,
I like my nigga aggressive. Beat me up.
oh!
Say no.
Beat you up. Yeah.
I don't know what he trying to be.
I don't know. I like a nigga that's just sweet to me and just rude to other people.
Okay. What about you, girl?
I like a kind girl, but like she gonna be kind to me. I don't like that Joe shit. You feel me?
Yeah,
You're not on that.
Exactly.
That's nutty. You feel me? But like, she gotta be for me. Like, I don't know. I don't really like. You like dates and shit like that?
Huh?
You like going on dates? I know.
No, I'm really a homebody. I go
I
to
like
work.
going on a date. Like I'm like, yo, what's up? We about to go. Get something
They
to
saying,
eat.
would you rather film and get in the car and drive somewhere? Or would you rather like actually go out somewhere, like top off something like that?
I like For like a first date, yeah, I want to go somewhere, but like any other date, no, it doesn't really matter. But like for a first date, yeah, I don't want to go somewhere.
Well, I don't go on dates. I don't like going on dates. That's how I really fuck with you. Like, I'm only gonna spend bread on you if I fuck with you. If you just feel me, that's why when I first start talking to a girl, like we go to like the drive-thru and shit. I gotta really feel your vibe for you. You make that step. You feel me? You wanna go to Ruth Chris or Benihana.
Chop on the grill and all that.
I don't even eat for real. That's the thing. I don't.
What you mean you don't eat?
Like I don't like going out to
you
eat.
like.
Ray, you not fit, right?
No, like 120. I'm small.
Yeah.
120, 5'3".
Yeah,
That's
I'm
great.
small.
Sound a little fun size. I could do a lot with that.
Not
Yeah.
too much.
What's all right? Listen, let's turn it up right now. So like, what's the nastiest thing you ever done? Start with you, bro.
Was the freakiest thing I ever done?
Yeah.
I ain't agree.
Freak your shit.
I don't know, bro. I do a lot.
Oh shit.
But like,
Good thing, bro.
ninth grade, I remember ninth grade, I was getting chewed outside though. That's some young boy shit.
He needs some milk.
Forget that shit. No, bro, I wasn't even on that because I didn't even know the joint. Cause like, it was like, she just grabbed me, bro. I didn't know what to do. Like,
Go ahead, that's
and I was bitching too.
The freakiest thing I ever did was let a nigga eat my ass.
Alright, so you got your ass ate, you did the shit outside. That's cool. Now let's play a game. Y'all ready?
Okay.
The game is Truth or Dare. Alright, so Truth or Dare. Unless you gotta go first, you go first last.
So
You can pick either one, Truth or Dare. You can pick Truth. Next question.
Truth. When the last time you had sex?
damn. What month is this? July?
Oh shit.
So like it has been a minute though. I ain't gonna lie. It's been a minute. No, for real. Stop. It really been a minute though, for real. It's been a minute. No, for real. The last time I had sex. Stop. No, for real. The last time I had sex was, it had to be in the beginning of July.
Shit, okay.
But it was somebody I was doing with though.
Alright, wait a minute.
It wasn't like that though.
Alright, well, I don't want to hear more about boy. I'm gonna give you the big.
It wasn't a boy.
That was crazy. I forgot about that.
That's cool too.
Go ahead. That's perfect.
Bullshit.
Alright, what you did?
What was the question?
I mean, oh yeah. You got ask him to be
Truth or Dare?
Yeah. Real nigga, bro. Truth. Crazy.
here. There.
Truth is crazy.
There. Let me ask her.
You ask it, bro.
Or you gonna ask him this?
What?
You gonna ask him there?
Oh, I don't got no there.
Alright, I got it. How dare you to kiss her neck for 10 seconds?
I'm gonna do that. I got the man on this shit. I can't even see.
Find her.
Where she at? I put these on up a little bit. So I can see.
Over close. Yeah, she right there. There you go.
Make sure she in the screen.
Yeah.
She in there, Joe?
Yeah,
Alright,
perfect.
go ahead.
Not too much.
What's so weird? It's not too bad. Alright, listen, Truth or Dare. Listen.
Dare.
That shit tastes like old perfume.
It is.
Alright, listen. I dare you to do the same thing.
Okay. Come here.
Ooh.
We bet. Oh, he got hair.
Yeah.
I can't do this. I can't.
It's not.
I'm done. Okay, I'm done.
Look at it. You know what TSB. All right, listen, ready? Ready? Put next go. Truth or dare, Tom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you gonna be doing true? It don't matter, bro.
Except niggas up there. You said dare, right?
Yes, cool.
All right. Find the softest part of her body.
Do I approve of that?
It's up to you. You have to consent.
That's obvious, though, man. Come where in the camera?
Do I consent for you?
Right here.
Right there.
Go ahead.
You consent?
Yeah, I consent. I'm a grown ass woman. Who the fuck is?
No more.
Get out my face.
I'm trying to say how you feel, like how you built. You feel me? She got hair. What you got on?
It's a set. It's an
What
outfit.
you about to do?
Nothing.
She can.
That is not funny.
Actually hilarious. All right, truth or dare?
I'm there.
Return the favor.
Return a favor. Alright, I already know you got hair.
So find the softest
You
part
got
of your
nice
body.
teeth.
Sure.
You sure?
She said, how big is it?
He needs some
It's not big. Why would I say that? Not gonna answer?
What? You not gonna answer that?
I don't got an answer.
What you mean you don't gotta answer that?
She said, you show you better than you can say.
I don't gotta say nothing.
But what if it's ass? Like, you're a dookie. And I'm gonna be sitting there like, damn.
You gonna see?
Am I really? I don't know. What you mixed with?
What the fuck?
I need to know.
Alright. This is actually, it's a dare for both of y'all. Because y'all both got a consent. I dare y'all to do a great, like, 15-second kiss. Like, no pecs. Like, you know, grown man shit.
Yo, like,
15-second
I better
kiss.
be getting 10K. Fuck out of here.
What?
Worth that.
I'm a 10K nigga.
Fuck.
No, I'm not a 10K. I'm a million. I'm a
$1
million.
nigga.
Baby, bro, you tripping, bro?
This is on YouTube, like.
Yeah. So go ahead. Yes, no. Big no, so we know what to skip.
And then he hits me.
I was trying to see what your teeth was.
But like, what if you're really dookie and I kiss you? Oh! And then like, you're dookie when I take it off.
No, he not dookie. You got my word. I told you I would play with you like that.
You wouldn't. You say you wouldn't. Alright.
I wouldn't play like that.
You can come get a kiss. Alright. Cause if she...
No, she ass though, bro.
Bitch, I ain't ass.
Ass. Like she been tucking a lot.
I ain't...
She just better be sturdy.
Don't lift that up. Don't do
Bro, this shit super
Yeah.
good.
I'm trying to.
Where she at?
right in front of you.
This shit so weird, bro. I can't even see nothing. Bro, she ass.
Choke her and pull her up.
Bitch, I ain't ass.
Right, grab her.
Oh!
So before I do the unmask, right? I want everybody to answer a question for me.
Okay.
How do you guys feel about each other so far?
I don't know. He sound cute.
Sound cute.
She sound alright, but does she look alright though?
Alright, so
Let me take mine top first.
No, who that? No. Y'all dead.
Oh!
Man.
You got what you got? Rat sugar?
Yeah. That's some shit.
Wait, we keeping a blindfold on?
Yeah. She buy some
Yeah.
like a minute, 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where you from?
These niggas still in the car.
Huh?
They still in the car?
No.
Where I'm from? I don't want to say that on camera.
Where you from?
I ain't from Philly.
So where you from?
The county.
You from the county?
Mm-hmm.
What you like to do?
Go to work. I just be by myself.
Where you work at?
A restaurant.
Oh yeah, restaurant.
That's too fat.
That's it.
Yeah.
Oh, what's up? I'm trying to get to know you and shit like that.
I don't know. I'm tired of getting played with. Niggas ain't shit.
Where we at?
That's for red.
You gotta join my team.
Talking about some join your team. Like, what if we do the same thing?
We not on that. We grown right here. You be fucking with the little niggas. We not on that.
No, not really.
Oh, you look good though.
What?
What you mean?
How do you know that?
Cause I'm looking at you.
I can take my blindfold off? Wait, no, I'm scared. Jesus Christ. Oh, I don't want to take it off. Wait. I'm gonna fuck you up. That's your problem now. You was a liar.
I don't lie. He ugly?
No, I knew this. Why is this that boy that was in the car?
Look her.
Wasn't it that time? It was the day when you called me.
What y'all think about each other? Rate each other's face.
He a good.
Come in the camera.
Done.
Oh my God, Jesus Christ.
Rate his face.
He cute. He cute, bro. I can see myself with him.
Mirror.
I can see him. Yep, I can see myself with him.
Yeah, she's sturdy.
Look at y'all. Y'all look good together.
I can see it.
Alright, so could y'all see yourself going on a second date without us?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I guess.
You guess.
What you mean?
Yeah. I can see myself going on a date with him.
So what you mean? Yes. Like, that was
I
crazy.
can see myself going on a date with you.
Alright.
Alright, so that's it.
Not
Tune in to damn, when you dropping this? Alright, by this time my tape might be out.
What's really going on YouTube?
Tune into that. CTS. I don't know what that shit. Oh, it's gonna be called like 5 or 6.
Bro, my ballistic shit, bro.
Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. Like this John, comment and shit. That's what they be saying, right?
Yeah.
Like that type of
Oh,
shit.
man, you the host of this joint.
Share, repost, do all of that. Y'all know, just keep showing love and all. You gotta peep, like we all niggas. So like when y'all niggas be hating, what be going through y'all mind for real? Like, I just be wanting to know where y'all come from with that type of background. Like, don't hate, man. Just show love, and love will come back to you. But like, we out of here.
All that, man.
All right, that's it. That's perfect.
Ooh, the 10K.
You gonna say bye to the camera? Like, you just staring.
Bye.
Yeah. You gotta get a camera and kiss.
Bye, y'all.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just dip my hand inside that track. Bitch, we grab that wop, grab that Glock. Bro, no known for walking. We hop out that car. Block.